The cassowary, often dubbed a living dinosaur, boasts a striking casque and powerful legs capable of delivering a formidable kick. This flightless bird, native to tropical forests, plays a vital role in its ecosystem by dispersing seeds. Meanwhile, the shoebill stork, with its massive shoe-shaped bill, stalks wetlands like an ancient giant, expertly hunting fish with its unique adaptations. The ostrich, the world's largest bird, can sprint up to 45 miles per hour, showcasing agility reminiscent of small theropod dinosaurs. Emus, with their lanky legs, roam Australia, contributing to seed dispersal while displaying a curious intelligence. The secretary bird, a snake hunting specialist, uses its long legs and sharp talons to dominate its habitat. Great horned owls, with their intense gaze and silent flight, are apex predators, thriving in diverse environments. The vulturine guinea fowl, with its striking blue plumage, forages in groups, reflecting its social nature. The 𝐁𝐢𝐫𝐿, or stinkbird, showcases ancient traits with wing claws and juveniles, while turkey vultures play a crucial role in recycling nutrients as scavengers. Lastly, pelicans, with their massive bills, glide over waters, employing teamwork to catch fish, embodying the wonders of evolution.